afternoon, visitors. The Duluth area lift bridge is currently lifting to its full height of 135 feet for the departure of the Clyde S. VanEnekvort and the Erie Trader. Good afternoon, visitors. The boat you currently see departing through the Duluth Ship Canal is the Clyde S. VanEnkevort and Erie Trader. The barge Erie Trader was built as the Lakes Contender in 2012 by DonJon Shipbuilding and Repair in Erie, Pennsylvania. She measures 740 feet in length, 78 feet in width, and 45 feet in depth. Although powered by the tug at the back, she is equipped with a 1,000 horsepower bow thruster to aid her maneuverability in port. She has 26 hatches on her deck and a maximum carrying capacity of 37,600 tons. Above her deck is a 250-foot self-unloading boom which allows her to unload her own cargo without the aid of shoreside equipment. The tug Clyde S. VanEnkevort was built as the Ken Boothe Sr. in 2012 by DonJon Shipbuilding and Repair in Erie, Pennsylvania. She measures 135 feet in length, 50 feet in width, and 26 feet in depth. She's powered by two 5,400 horsepower diesel engines which give her a top speed of 16 knots or about 18 miles per hour. The Erie Trader and Clyde S. VanEnkevort together have a combined length of 875 feet. Both are owned and operated by VanEnkevort Tug and Barge of Escanaba, Michigan. The Clyde S. VanEnkevort and Erie Trader are currently departing the twin ports, going to Cleveland with a load of iron ore pellets. If you see any crew members out on deck, make sure to give them a wave and wish them a safe voyage. That salute you just heard is known as the Captain Salute or the Standard Salute. It's the most common salute out on the Great Lakes, one long, two short. It's basically the vessel and the bridge saying hello to one another. Once again, if you see any crew on deck, make sure to give them a wave and wish them a safe voyage. The Erie Trader and Clyde S. VanEnkevort together have a combined length of 875 feet. They're heading out to Cleveland with a load of iron ore pellets.